Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of switching the sounds of a specific chat back to default in Telegram. If you have customized the notification sounds for a chat and want to revert them to the default settings, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open Telegram. Look for the familiar blue and white circle icon with a paper airplane inside. Tap on it to launch the Telegram app. Step 2. Go to the chat you want to disable. Simply locate the chat you wish to modify and tap on it to open it. Step 3. Tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. In the chat interface, find the 3 dots icon in the top right corner and give it a tap. This will open the chat options menu. Step 4. Tap on mute. From the chat options menu, find and tap on the mute option. This will bring up an additional menu for further customization. Step 5. Tap on Customize. In the additional menu, look for the Customize option and tap on it. This will take you to the Custom Notifications menu. Step 6. Go to the General section. Within the Custom Notifications menu, locate the General section and tap on it. This is where you can modify the sound settings. Step 7. Tap on Sounds and select Default. In the General section, you will find an option called Sounds. Tap on it and a selection of sound options will appear. Choose Default to switch the sounds of the specific chat back to the default settings. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to switch the sounds of a specific chat back to default in Telegram. This allows you to restore the original sound settings and get the default notification sounds for the chat. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.